Today we will learn how to create your first Java program in Eclipse. So today our expectation is create a Java project in Eclipse and then print hello world as an output. In our last few classes we have already learned how to install JDK, how to install Eclipse and how to configure Workspace for Java programming. Now we will use the same workspace to create our first Java program in Eclipse. Now double click on this Eclipse IDE under your desktop, or you can search here Eclipse and it will give you an options Eclipse IDE. You can click here as well. So let me double click on this Eclipse IDE icon. So once you double click, it will open your Eclipse IDE. Here it is not asking any workspace selections because in our last class we have already selected the default workspace locations for our Eclipse. Now this is your Eclipse ID. Now to create a project, click on File menu, then New, then click on Java Project menu. So it will open this window. Here you have to give your project name. So let me set my project name as Demo Project. Now set the other path as default. We will discuss all these things later, but for the time being just check this one. This is our locations where our Java project will be located. This is nothing but my Java workspace which I already set up in our last class. If you want to set it in another locations, you just uncheck this one and browse that particular locations. So let me put as a default one. Okay, now here another thing you have note that there is a radio button check that creates separate folder for source and class file. So put it this way or the default one, because this will create your dot class file in a different folder. Now set your all these properties as defaults, only give a project name here and then click next. So once you click next, it will create a src folder under your Java project. Okay, so for my case it's a demo project and under this demo project it is created a src. Okay, now simply finish your work here by click on this finish button. So now you can see under this demo project a src folder is created and this Java AC18 we have selected on that window, right? Now here I recommended always try to create a package before you going to create your first Java program. So what is that package? So in your local machine, just think practically when you try to set your song, your movie, your picture, so you set some separate folder, right? So let's say in your computer you have a E drive and you under E drive you want to set all your picture in a separate folder, you set all your movie in a separate folder, and you set all your songs in a separate folder. So for the same, what you do, you create three separate folder, one for song, one for picture, one for movie, right? Similar way in Java you can create multiple package which basically denotes each module. Okay, so what is exact package and when we actually use or what is the best practice, that we will learn later, but for the time being create a package. So how to create a package? So just right click on this src. Okay, so once you right click you get a new options and then you got option package. Click on this package. Now write something like com dot demo, and here we want to print our project, right? So let's say all our print related Java source code we will kept under this package. So let me put another subfolder print. So what it will do, it will automatically create a folder com under src, and under com there will be another folder will be created demo, and under demo there will another folder will be created at print. Okay, so let me finish it. So you can see under src com.demo.print a package is created. Now here we will execute our first Java program. Okay, now before going to or creating a Java program, let me show you how it will look in your local machine or local folder. So see, this is our Java workspace. Okay, under that I have created the demo project. Now if I expand this demo project, so you can get a src folder here. So this is my src folder. Okay, this bin folder automatically created because we have already selected that our dot class file locations. Okay, now under src what we did, we create a com, then demo, then print, right, a package. So it will show you in a folder structure here. So if I expand src, so under src you can see the com folder, then under com folder you get a demo. Okay, so this is demo, then under demo what we did, print. So this is our print. Okay, under that currently no file is available. So once we create a Java class, that will come here. So let us create the first Java class. Okay, so to do that, right click here, again new, and then class. Just click on this class icon, then it will ask you the name of the class. So my class name, let's say demo class. Okay, now here you can see options public static void main string args. Okay, if you need to create your template structure automatically, then you have to just check this one. So you once you check this one and you finish this one, so it will create a Java class as demo class, and also it give you a template structure with public static void main string args. Keep all the other setting as default. Okay, now just click on this finish button. So now you can see our project is created with exact template. So this is a Bible for you. Always remember this structure: public class, class name, public static void main, string args, then your brackets start and end. Now what is our aim? Our aim is to print a hello world statement. So to do that, what you have to do, you have to write your code here. Okay, so I have deleted the commented part. Here you have to write your code. But before that, if you check the structure, okay, this is our package name, okay, which we already created because this demo class is under this package. So that's why it's come this way. Now you can see here public class, class name. So this is your class name and this is public. So public is nothing but your access modifier. Okay, so what is public, what is private, we will learn later, but for the time being understand this is your structure for your class, where our access modifier for this class is public. Then this is your main method. Okay, so main method is the entry point of any Java program. And if you check here again, the modifier is public, return type is void, and there is another keyword used, static. Why static? So deep level we will learn later, but for the time being understand always your main method will be static, so that compiler call it without creations of any object. So all the details we will learn later, no need to worry about that. Now our main is to execute a hello world statement. So for that same you have to write your print statement here. And what is your print statement syntax? That is system dot out dot print, and under that you have to write your statement within double quote. So this is for our case hello world. Okay, and now finally your statement, print statement, should be closed with semicolon. Now our class is ready to execute. Now before run this program, let's see the local folder where we have created this one. So see, under this print folder we have this demo class, and this is basically our Java source. Now once you save your Java source, it will automatically compile and create your .class file under bin folder. So if you go to your demo project, there is a bin folder, and under it you can see on the same folder structure there is a demo class file is created, but you haven't created that one, right? It will automatically created by system while saving our Java class. Okay, now let's run our Java program. Okay, so how to run that? So you have different options to run that one. You can see there is an icon, run icon, so you can simply click here, or you can right click here and then go to run as Java applications. You can run it from here as well. Okay, so let me simply click on this icon, so it will give me as an expectations a hello world statement, and you can see a hello world statement come here. So this is a simple way you can create your first Java project in Eclipse.
I believe this video has helped you to understand about the topic. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, click on the bell notifications and select all so that you don't miss any video from this channel.